Welcome to another episode of Reclaim That. Today we're going to look through a box of donated tools. A nice lady was kind enough to donate her grandfather's old tools because she didn't want them to end up in the landfill. And right now I'm kind of sorting through them to figure out what I'm going to work on first. I do have plans for this butcher cleaver, but I think I'm going to put that off for another time. But this knife, this one has caught my eye. Normally, when I try to remove rust from a tool, I like to soak it into a higher concentration of vinegar. But for this one, I'm too worried what might happen to the locking mechanism. So I've decided I'm just going to do a light sanding with 600 grit and eventually 800 grit to take out some of the marks and some of the rust. While sanding, I noticed that perhaps everything isn't as tight as it could be. So I've just decided to tap it with a mallet just to make sure everything's nice and snug. It feels nice and tight now, so we're going to go back to the sanding. And we're still sanding. And sanding some more. And I feel like we're finally getting to the finish that I want, so maybe we'll start concentrating on the blade now. And we're back to the sanding. And more sanding. And still more sanding. Will the sanding ever stop? Apparently not. No, don't reach for the paper. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh no, more sanding. Okay, that's it for sanding. I swear. Onto the wet wheel to touch up the profile and sharpen the blade. And don't mind me as I put my hand in the way so you can't see what I'm doing at all. What is this guy's obsession with sandpaper? Just a last little bit of polishing up. Not the sharpest knife I've ever stored, but it'll do. And that's it.